everybody. I'm here today to show you and tell you how to do finger dancing easily. And this will be a full tutorial for beginners, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. I'll be going over 5 things that you can do that are great for finger dancing. You want to dance with your fingers? This is the video for you. These are the 5 methods. Now, obviously, you can get really complex, you can get really skilled with this, but these are just basic finger dancing techniques that you can use. All right, so without further ado, starting off with number 1. Number 1 is up and down. So you're going to take whatever fingers you want to use, and you're going to go up and down. So with my index finger, it's going to be like this: up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, and I'm kind of going up and out. Okay, but it's up and down in that motion. Okay, I can go up and down like this, or up and down with an outward motion, just like that. So. So up and down is the idea right there. That's number 1. Moving on to number 2. Number 2 is side to side. You can also do side to side. So whatever fingers you're going to use, you can just wave them by themselves side to side. Or you can wave them with your whole, like you can move your wrist, right? So okay, that's the idea, side to side. And you can combine these as well. So you can do the first 2, which number 1 was up and down, number 2 was side to side. You can do so you can combine them, okay? Moving on to number 3. Number 3 is the wave. So for the wave, you're gonna get your fingers and you're gonna just wave them like this. So just like that, okay? That's you can vary it. You can do as many different combinations as you want, but okay, that's number 3. Number 4 is fingers tapping on each other, and that's just very simple. Just like that. And last but not least is number 5. Number 5 is fingers tapping other things. Now, I'm a drummer by nature, so for me, this is very, very natural. I always, I'm drumming on various things around the house, in the car, anywhere, basically at work, wherever I am, I'm always drumming with my fingers. But your fingers are going to be tapping other things. That's number 5, the last one. So, very, very simple. Those are the 5 things. And you can combine them sort of to create your own little melody of finger dancing. So it can be something like this. When I sort of combine a whole bunch of them together, it can be something like this. This is like sort of bringing it all together. All right, so that is basically it. If you want to do finger dancing, this has been the tutorial for you. Whether you're a beginner or you're advanced and you just want to learn some new techniques, this has been a very simple tutorial that you can use. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.